Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to tilt and enlarge icons like this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So GoodLock lets you tilt, resize, and customize app icons on your home screen. You can create a fully DIY home screen layout that reflects your personal style. So this is perfect if you're tired of boring standard icon layouts. You can go ahead and create your very own. So here I'll basically create my very own. As you can see, I have my wallpaper, which has been basically split into half. So I've gone ahead for a layout where basically it shows one side 3 icons, the other side 3 icons, and in the middle you have 1. So all of these icons have been enlarged. 4 of these icons have been tilted to basically improve the aesthetics of this layout. Just to let you know, all of these icons work because I can go ahead and tap on them and use them. So let me show you how you can create this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Home Up module. And here, tap on Homescreen. Now here, you want to find DIY Homescreen. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to press Home. So now you want to go ahead and let's say you want to go ahead and edit this home screen. So you go ahead and long press on this, tap on DIY here at the top. And now you can go ahead and start moving these icons around. You can go ahead and move this, and also you can go ahead and increase the size. So as you can see, you can go ahead and turn this any way you like, upside down or at an angle. So let's just say, for example, I want to go ahead and place all my icons in a line like this. So I'll just fast forward this so you don't see this process. And there we have it. So we have 4 icons on the left and 3 icons on the right. However, they're all tilted at a 90-degree angle. So once that's done, press Home. And now you can go ahead and see your newly created home screen, and all of these icons work. So like this, you can create a home screen no one else has. It's basically unique. You can improve your visibility with large icons, and it adds a depth and creativity to your layout, perfect for theme lovers and designers. So this turns your phone into a personal expression. So there you go guys, that's how to tilt and enlarge icons on your Samsung Galaxy device using DIY home screen.